How to start real estate business. Breaking news, the real estate market is growing at historic levels. We are currently seeing some of the best real estate markets and some of the worst real estate markets depending on where you are, but in any case, you can make money with real estate in today's market. You can start a real estate business in just a few days, you can start making money, and you can even get business funding for your real estate business. I'm going to share with you all of the secrets on how you get that done. Let's go.
Noel. Yeah, she can fix that. You gotta get it done, or you need to do it better. Well, she can fix that. Yeah, she can fix that. Investment to get back, trying to get a big stack. She can fix that. Let's fix that.
So step one to starting a real estate business. You want to make an actual business. You want to go ahead and get your LLC, your limited liability company, registered with the Secretary of State. Now, of course, you could also do an incorporated business, a corporation like a C Corp or an S Corp, but I suggest getting an LLC. The next thing is an EIN, which stands for Employer Identification Number. You can get this by going to IRS.gov and applying for an EIN number. It is fast, easy, and it's free. The next thing that you want to make sure that you do have is a website. All you have to do is buy the domain name. So like whatever it is that you want to name your business, you will go and search and buy a domain name. It costs maybe just about $10. You can go to Google Domains, Epic, or GoDaddy or something like that and quickly and easily buy a domain, have a website made. I'll talk about that in just a second, but easily have a website made for just a little bit of money, have a professional email and a professional phone number. Those are the simple and easy steps that you need to follow in order to start a real estate business. Now, you're going to do these things so that you can get funding for your real estate business. So another thing that you want to do is open up a business checking account. So you can go into any bank, and Noel Randall suggests you use a mid-sized bank. Yes, of course, you can open up a business checking account at Wells Fargo, Chase, Bank of America, or Citi, those really big banks. But I actually suggest using a mid-sized bank like PNC, Truist Bank, Regions Bank, or something like that, like a mid-sized bank, or possibly a credit union. I'll talk about that in a second because you want to be able to get business funding for your business. And a lot of times these mid-sized banks and credit unions will offer business checking accounts and then offer you business funding right on the spot. The next thing that you want to do is get merchant processing. You can set up to get merchant processing, which allows your business to accept credit cards. So you can use sites like PayPal, Square, Stripe, or even QuickBooks to be able to set up an account and be able to accept credit cards into your business. You will then hook your merchant processing account to your business checking account so that you can get business funding just with bank statements. So you can use your business checking account statements and you can even use merchant processing statements. And many lenders will lend to real estate businesses with just those statements. Another amazing way that you can get business funding is with the merchant processing accounts. PayPal, Square, Stripe, and QuickBooks all offer working capital loans to small businesses. This will open up the door to funding for your new business just by using their services. So for example, if you use PayPal to accept credit cards within just a few months, PayPal will offer you what we call working capital loans, where you can get loans, $25,000, $50,000, $100,000 for your business. Just because you use PayPal and they saw that you were accepting credit cards into the business, then they offer you loans that you can use to grow your business. It's an amazing secret that almost any business can do, but especially real estate businesses. I started investing in real estate with no money, bad credit, bankruptcy, multiple foreclosures, and not even having a job. Let me take you all the way back. I literally started investing in real estate in 2002, 2003, and I had no idea what I was doing. I started investing in real estate with a full-time job, and I never educated myself on how to actually do it. So I was just flipping houses that I would find with my realtor while having a full-time job. Well, when the market crashed in 2007, 2008, I lost everything. I literally had to file bankruptcy, had multiple foreclosures, and I needed to move back in with my parents and live in their basement, pregnant with my third kid. It was an absolute disaster. But while I was in my parents' basement, I started going to classes and seminars and conferences and started learning about real estate investing. And I ended up getting a coach that taught me all about wholesaling. Wholesaling was where I would find people that were in distress situations. For example, they were behind on their mortgage payments and they were facing foreclosure, similar to what I have faced myself. I would market to these people, I would get them under contract, and then I would flip those contracts to investors for a fee. Now, the fees for that would be between $5,000 up to $35,000 for just one wholesale deal. I was able to make a lot of money and get myself out of my parents' basement just by wholesaling. And this was a way of investing in real estate while not using my own credit, while not having any money, and without even having to keep the real estate. I literally just would invest in real estate by wholesaling and make money in the process. And then I moved on to bigger and more profitable things in real estate besides wholesaling. Today, I am a multimillionaire with lots of rental properties, portfolios. I teach real estate. I have books. I'm a speaker, a mentor, a mom of five, an influencer, and just so much more. So having a real estate business and starting a real estate business was phenomenal and life-changing for me. And there is so much more opportunity now to get funding for your real estate business so that you can grow your business even faster than I did. Let me explain that part. Deal compounding. Deal compounding is when you start where you are and then you move on to the next level. For example, I started off wholesaling real estate. Like I said, I would sell the contracts. I would assign the contracts to investors and they would pay me a fee. Then I moved on to fixing and flipping. I learned that the average profit on a fix and flip, when done the right way, when you actually found people that were in distress and then fix and flip the property, you could make at least $60,000 on average on your average flip. Right now, the average profit on a flip, when you look at Realty Track, is over $60,000. I have made over $100,000 on flips. And in some cases, they didn't even take very long. We just had to paint the walls and put in new flooring. Really simple. Sometimes we just put in new appliances or new carpets or new countertops, little things like that to renovate the property. Then I started getting into rental properties. So I started from wholesaling to fix and flips to then rental properties. So again, once you know how to find properties for pennies on the dollars, and again, you spend your money marketing to find people that are in distress, whether they're in pre-foreclosure, foreclosure, bankruptcy, divorce, probate, relocations, all different type of distressful situations could allow me to get those properties for pennies on the dollars. And then I could decide whether to wholesale, do fix and flips, or then keep the property as a rental property and grow my wealth. At one point, I had over 40 rental properties and I was able to make over 6 figures with my rental properties and quit my full-time job. Today, like I said, I teach on real estate investing and now I'm an influencer. So you have the same opportunity to start a real estate business even with bad credit, and then move on to fixing and flipping, rental properties, or even teaching real estate investing to other people. It is an amazing thing to do, and it's an amazing business that anyone can start. I have relaunched BNB Riches 2.0 to teach you rental arbitrage and many things that I do today in real estate that makes me millions of dollars. You can get BNB Riches 2.0 by going to bnbriches.com and using the code YouTube to save 40%. This course will teach you how to invest in real estate without even owning any real estate and make money every single day by using short-term rentals. This is an amazing course that we have actually added more information to because we make so much money with all of the different sites that we are able to put our properties on. Not only can you put properties on sites like Airbnb, you can put them on sites like Vacation Rental by Owner, Vrbo, Booking.com, Expedia, and so many others so that your properties are booked all the time. If you get BNB Riches today and use the code YouTube, you can save 40% and you will even get a copy of this book, BNB Millionaire Secrets, which goes through all of my secrets on short-term rental businesses. This is the perfect business to start in real estate today because you can start making money with properties that you do not even own. Once you start making that money, then you can buy your own rental properties and have even more wealth for yourself. Get this course at bnbriches.com right now. Use the code YouTube to save 40% and get my book, BNB Millionaire Secrets, today. Get registered for this class because it is packed full of information and you want to make sure that you get all of the templates and checklists that is in this book and all of the scripts and everything that is inside of that course. Go today. I just want to make sure that you have all of the resources, all of the tools, and all of the knowledge that you need to be successful. This is Noelle. To your success. Hey, you, are you enjoying this content? Please make sure you click that like button and please subscribe to my channel. We are going to 1 million viewers. I need your help. So please subscribe to this channel and help me get there. We are growing fast and I appreciate you so much. And also don't forget to comment below with your best things about this video. Tell me what video you want me to make because I read the comments and I am going to make the videos that you want me to make. Well, the ones that I want to make anyway. All right, let's get it.